the introduction of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others made one thing clear to researchers: the blockchain is digging in for the long haul. With this trust and calculation skill, the cryptographers and researchers stayed at work longer than required to make a remarkable digital money that could hold an incentive at a splendid future cost, empowering taking credit, making installments, and all in replaceable nearby monetary standards. Before we start with an itemized Nexo cost forecast, we should really take a look at the coin outline. What makes Nexo one of a kind? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-upheld credits to clients. These credits don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an alluring choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for acquire a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo audit here. After saving, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is vital. Clients can spend from their acknowledged line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards: 1, versatility of exchanges, and 2, working with a smooth reconciliation with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore is a wise speculation choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction transformations of monetary forms. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine as they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo specialized investigation. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculation. Specialists differ as they would like to think about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable enormous flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from 55 cents to 98 cents, an impressive leap that mirrored an immense measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish force till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the 50 cents mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary standards showed a bleak presentation. The Nexo cost displayed security, acquiring financial backer certainty and showing an extraordinary flood in force with no Nexo cost drop understanding starting from the start of 2021. Notwithstanding, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was rectified persistently, and it shut the year around 62 cents. Nexo value expectation by specialists. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a maintainability advantage that impacts Nexo's conjecture contrasted with customary monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo weights around 75 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.23% and a 24-hour volume of $6,611,251 with a market cap of $425,261,495. There is as of now a flowing stock of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost guess for 2023 is 8 cents. According to the Estimate Information Investigation, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.50. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. Nexo conjecture of cost sounds exceptionally bullish in the future as it has shown a dependable consistency. Toward the finish of 2023, the Nexo cost could undoubtedly swing around $1.08 going with trade choices to acquire benefits in Nexo. Nexo gauge completely relies upon the value development and feeling. The cost of Nexo could reach $3.05 toward the finish of 2023. Nexo value expectation 2023 going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns. Almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is a gauge possibility of the Nexo crash to 70 cents, and the most extreme cost might be around $1.70. Yet again, Nexo value expectation 2024 expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist in view of forecast at the cost of Nexo, and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Nexo will manage the crypto realm, disposing of BTC strength with an exhibition of cost fixed at $2.01. Nexo can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances, basically due to its solid essentials. Nexo Value Expectation 2025. The current year's forecasts could stamp the benchmark year, as the cost of Nexo is determined to outperform $2.50 definitely. Essentially, in light of the fact that this year, no critical variables like the pandemic or downturns are expected to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy. Nexo Value Expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost estimate in view of specialized examination and past information, this digital currency could leap to about $3.59 by December 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.95 and $3.27 individually. Nexo Value Expectation 2027. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are forecasts that the Nexo cost is ready for a rise even in 2027. The cost of Nexo, as well, will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern, lines contacting the $4.45 mark in light of cost expectation. Nexo Value Expectation 2028. Considering our Nexo estimate, specialized examination, and market refreshes, with many undertakings reaching fulfillment before the year's over, the inside and out greatest cost of $5.75 cannot be precluded for Nexo, making it a productive interest in the digital money market, contrasted with government-issued types of money. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. As indicated by our Nexo conjecture, the token is supposed to exchange at the very least cost of $5.55 with a greatest cost of $8.15. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $6.85. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. Master financial backers of computerized coins generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the transient cost development. With a touch of persistence in keeping their expectations high in the drawn-out figures, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2030, as the reception of Nexo will fill dramatically as far as cost and market cap by when Nexo will not anymore a gullible participant in the realm of digital forms of money, yet a carefully prepared player. It is normal to exchange at a limit of $10.01 in 2030 in view of our Nexo forecast. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a digital money that has a shrewd and splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will govern the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Indeed, even online entertainment stages like Twitter and Facebook affirm Nexo's strength over BTC's predominance. Is putting resources into Nexo a smart thought? Indeed, as per our Nexo cost conjecture, putting resources into it will be really smart at the ongoing cost level. Notwithstanding, an expected level of effort is dependably fitting. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overglad clarifications required in the event that you contribute mindfully and track the Nexo cost gauges consistently throughout some undefined time frame. Where could I at any point purchase Nexo? At the present time, you can buy Nexo at significant exchanging stages in crypto trades like Binance, Coinbase, and Bitfinex. Does Nexo offer total